Wagwan family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. In today's video, I am going to share with you how to make Jamaican style steamed fish and okra. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. Then I am going to show you all the ingredients I am going to use to make the Jamaican style steamed fish and okra. So these are the fish them that I am going to steam, and these are red snapper fish. I already scale and clean them, just need to wash them with fresh lime. So for the steamed fish ingredients, I am going to use some scallions, I'm going to use carrots, I'm going to use pumpkin, corn, going to use butter, I'm going to use one grease fish noodle, I am going to use my Briscoes all-purpose seasoning, I'm going to use some pimento, here I'm going to use some okra, here I have some fresh thyme, I have one coconut, here I'm going to use a piece of this onion, I'm going to use some broccoli also. Here I have 3 limes to wash the fish them. I'm going to use some coconut oil. Here I have some sweet pepper already cut up. I'm going to use garlic. Here I have 1 pepper. So I'm also going to make some spinach dumplings. So I'm going to use some all-purpose flour. Now I just need to wash the fish them with lime. So them already clean. Now I'm going to season the fish them with my all-purpose seasoning. I usually cut a slice on them for the seasoning to marinate inside of them, but these fish, they're not so big, so I'm just going to go ahead and season them. So you always want to make sure you get the seasoning in the head, okay? That's where the flavor is. So after season the fish them, this is how them look. Them seasoned to perfection. Now I'm going to put them aside and go and prep the rest of ingredients. Now I'm going to cut the okra them. Before I cut them, I'm going to wash them. I'm going to peel and cut the carrots. For the pumpkin, I'm not going to peel off the skin. I'm just going to wash it properly and dice it up. Okay, this is the pot I'm going to steam the fish them in. Now I'm going to turn on the stove. To the pot I'm going to add 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Now the oil hot, I'm going to start off by saute onions. Now I'm going to add the garlic. Going to add pimentos. Going to add fresh thyme. Sweet peppers. Going to add pumpkin and carrots. Going to add fresh scallions. Now I'm going to cover the pot for 3 minutes and allow the vegetables them to sweat. Now I'm going to mix out the fish noodle in some water. And I'm using warm water. Okay, now I'm going to break the coconut and blend it. So I'm just going to cut it up in small pieces so that it don't jam the blender when they're blending it. So I'm going to add 3 cups of water to the blender. Add the coconut. So this is all the milk that I get from the coconut. Now add the fish noodle. Going to add the coconut milk now. All of it. Give it a stir. So the fish them already have seasoning on them, so I'm not going to add no more seasoning to this because the fish noodle have sodium also, so you don't need to add no more sodium to this. Now I'm going to add the corn. Now I'm going to add 1 pepper. Cover the pot and allow it to come to a boil. Okay, now it come to a boil. Okay, now I'm going to make the dough for my spinach dumplings and I wash my hands properly, okay? I'm just going to use 1 cup of all-purpose flour. That's fine, not too much. A little pinch of salt. Going to add the water liquor by liquor as needed. So this is how the dough look when it finished. Now I'm going to wash my hands before I shape the spinach dumplings. Okay, now I'm going to roll the spinach dumplings them. Just pop off a piece. Just roll it like this. So this is all of my spinach dumplings them. Nothing too pretty or fancy. Add in the fish them. Now going to add butter. Going to cover the pot and allow it to steam on low heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the fish them ready to serve. Okay, it is already 15 minutes. Now I'm going to plate one of them. So here you have it, Jamaican steamed fish and okra. Look at that. See the spinach dumpling, the carrots, the pumpkin, the broccoli, the okra. Look at that. Okay, going for a bite. Look at this, cooked to perfection. Mmm, so good. Taste the flavor from all the seasoning, the coconut, you taste everything in it. Spinach, and this is how I like my steamed fish. I like it with a lot of vegetables in it. I like when it finished, I have the rest of vegetables with some rice. So good. So as usual, thank you so much to watch this video to the end. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food ain't nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.